Move over.
I'm moving over. Welcome. Chairs left.
I don't give a damn. Oh, now I care. Shut up!
Sorry.
I'm filming this shit. Oh no, there's a fire.
No, there's more.
Yeah, that's not it. There's a fire there probably. Oh no, told you. That's what was that?
Right there.
Oh, that was a dud, that was a dud, that was a dud. Shit. There was a bad dud there. Hey! Oh! Oh, there's one on the roof. Yeah, there was a little fire on the roof. It stopped. Shut up, there was one on the roof. Oh, that's a big one. They're lighting yours. Shut up. They use quick match. That's like 70-something seconds a foot. I mean, 12 seconds for 70-something feet.
Maybe there's fire.
Yeah, no
Are they
duh.
setting more? Oh my.
Yeah, they're setting
There's
more.
a loose board right there and I just fell through. This is so, like, I smell it. It smells so bad.
Okay, there we go. They're using like a quick match. It's like 7 seconds.
Wait. There it goes!
Oh my God! Roll! Stop!
Real! You guys are such what? They're not even coming
And that's a girl telling you that. Shut up, Allie. Oh, shit, that was a low one.
Someone blew up!
No, it's fine. Oh, that was a motor shell exploding. That was an Excalibur shell. No,